I moved here in 1983, grew up in Wisconsin, and I always wanted to be in the mountains. I just love it here. The thing about Sotheby's is I didn't really realize the value of the brand until I started working with them. The exposure, it's like taking the marketing I was doing and putting it on steroids. And today, everybody is on social media, everybody is online, and that is what Sotheby's has nailed. My clients become my friends. I can't think of one that I've ever not had an enduring relationship with. It's not just a sales job. I'm helping people. To me, that is very, very rewarding. In 2008, I started giving to charities with every deal that I'd closed, and that's a 5% of the commissions I make that I give to charities. So if you buy a house from me, you get to pick the charity. It's been a really great aspect of what I do. For me, my greatest passion is jumping horses, which I have loved horses ever since I was a little girl, and now I'm lucky to have a hunter and a jumper. Aspen Snowmass is unlike any other place in the world. I can't imagine being anywhere else. Live extraordinarily. I mean, that's what we're doing out here. I would never leave.